India is a multi-hazard prone country. The Global Climate Risk Index Report 2020 places India as the fifth most vulnerable country in the world. In India, the eastern coastal states of Orissa and West Bengal are frequented by cyclones and floods. Along with life loss, these natural hazards cause widespread physical damage, especially to the critical infrastructure like communication towers and transmission lines. This becomes an impediment for early warning, response, and relief operations. The Sendai Framework for Action prioritizes minimizing life loss by investing in participatory risk communication. Risk and emergency communication systems are important components for disaster risk management, and ICT is an integral part of both. The traditional elements of ICT include broadcast radio, television, mobile telephony, electric power, database management, and internet communications. So, the preparedness planning for emergency communications should be cognizant of all possible scenarios where one or multiple ICT elements can get compromised. Cyclone Fani of 2019 and Cyclone Amphan of 2020 highlight the importance of risk communication, especially in the backdrop of COVID-19. The existing mechanisms for early warning communication use alarms, sirens, bulk messages, signages, etc., which are executed by the local authorities. But these support one-way communication only. A two-way communication to gather field data from community and aid workers is the need of the hour. In the past, failure of communication systems has led to door-to-door dissemination of the early warning messages. While during or post-disaster, such failures make it difficult for survivors to reach out to the authorities or rescue agencies for help. In such conditions, an effective and non-disruptive communication system can save many lives. To tackle the above challenges, we present to you Surakshit, a solution that widens the reach of emergency communication among the masses. It empowers the local communities by enabling them to send alert messages to response agencies, share their location, and get crucial information in times of distress, especially when the traditional modes of communication are disrupted. Working towards the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction, Surakshit uses ICT for enhancing the availability and accessibility of warning and disaster information to and from masses through a participatory communication system.
Demonstrate a smartphone application Surakshit that we developed for the collection, processing, sharing and visualization of multimodal situational data in the absence of internet, primarily for post-natural disaster situations. The application UI contains three primary windows. First one is chat window for sending messages in the form of text, image or audio-video clips. The second one is map window for real-time GIS tagging. The last one is the merge map window that aggregates all the GIS data to prepare a summarized map view of the situational data. Nearby, Surakshit-enabled devices join to form a DTN using the Wi-Fi Direct, which is allied DTN Connect. To save energy, devices use the acoustic signal for neighbor scanning. This acoustic signal is used for propagating the credential information for Wi-Fi Direct. The coverage of the network may be enhanced if a few smart devices may be statically stationed at strategic places like shelters or control rooms where user visits frequently. We call these devices the drop box. We may also place a few devices on regularly moving vehicles like ambulances, police patrol cars, etc. called these devices as data mule. Drop boxes and the data mules can be smartphones in which the Surakshit application is set up as Dropbox or data mule or custom devices. The message propagates through the DTN of smart devices in hops, exploiting the device-to-device contact opportunities during the user movements. If a user wishes to get a concise personalized report, merging on the merged map window serves the purpose. On merging, related messages from different users are aggregated and form a simplified collated crisis map view.
This platform is scalable, and in future it can extend its coverage area and integrate technologies like LoRa, drones, etc. and can also be integrated with AI-enabled offline crisis mapper.